What it is though, my people in these YouTube streets. It is your boy CJ the Taurus back again with another episode of This Corner of Galaxy. And today we're going to be taking a look at the Galaxy Watch 3 and doing an unboxing on it. And of course, if you guys have seen my channel before, you know that when I do my unboxings, I do it out with the old, in with the new. So this is the Galaxy Watch numero uno. And I just want to say that this has been a very positive experience as far as a smartwatch from Samsung goes. I've actually gone through almost all of the generations of the Galaxy Watch or the Galaxy smartwatches, all the way from the Gear 1 that had the camera on the band to now. So I have to say that I've seen the innovation, I've seen all the steps and phases that Samsung has gone through, and I have to say that the Galaxy Watch was a complete culmination of everything that they had learned, and I really do like this smartwatch a lot. The always on display was always on for me, and it still gives me a whole day of battery life, and that honestly can't be understated. The watch is good job, Samsung, good job. And I have to say that the Galaxy Watch 3 definitely has a big bezel to fill. You know, like big shoes to fill. No, okay, all right, let's get into the unboxing. All right, guys, so this is the unboxing for the Galaxy Watch 3 45mm LTE version. So this is not the Bluetooth only version. This is going to have a physical phone number on it. So oh my gosh, yes. This right here. Guys, take a look. Take a look at this. Wow. I'm already really impressed with the presentation. Just how everything looks right out of the box. I gotta say, guys, I'm really liking this. So we're gonna go ahead and get a little bit further down into the box here. We've got some, looks like some type of filing, paperwork type deal. I think I just opened it up the wrong way. I did. So it opens here from the bottom, guys, just to show you guys that. Down here, you have your charger, and the charger is like a little flat. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's the charger. It's like a little flat piece that the watch will sit on top of. I'm gonna sit that to the side here. Let's see what else we got. Okay, nothing else down in there. I don't know if you guys can see in there. Nothing else down in there. So I'm going to actually move this stuff out of the way, and just to give you guys a comparison between the older watch and the newer watch, you can see the crown. Actually, let's take the newer watch out of the box since this is an unboxing. Let's go ahead and hang on, guys. Oh man, the leather smells like that good old belt leather. Like when you first get that brand new belt, that's what this smells like. Oh man, guys, I'm very impressed. The gloss look of this watch, even on the back, I'm telling you guys, it's amazing. Look at the crown here. I don't know if you guys can, hopefully I can focus in some. You see the crown there? It's got the little red on it. I do feel like that was a nice little added touch to the watch. I've always liked that about the Apple Watch, that nice little hint of red that they had on their cellular version of the watch. I always kind of like that. But as you guys can see on the side of the Galaxy Watch 1, the crown, there is no crown actually. So it's just two flat little buttons there. So that is an improvement already. And we'll go over some of the improvements, some of the things that I like on this watch over the previous version of the watch, of course, in the review that we do later. So without further ado, actually guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put this bad boy on right now. Yeah. And I'm gonna give you guys a look at the first power on. So here we go. Man, guys, I gotta say, this thing looks so sleek. I didn't think I was gonna like it as much as much as I do. This is a very nice smartwatch, guys. I am ready to hop in with both feet on this. So without further ado, I'm gonna get out of here, guys, because yeah, I don't want to start geeking out on the camera even more than I already have, guys. So you guys take care. I will catch you guys on the next episode of this corner of Galaxy. Peace.